please read the group 5.
Okay guys, let's meet tomorrow to do our assignment.
Oh, I won't be able to attend tomorrow. I have work on my younger children.
Me too, I have work tomorrow.
Sadly, tomorrow is my master. I need to
Okay, since almost half of us can attend, let's cancel our meeting tomorrow. Any suggestions?
We can just meet online through Google Meet if you guys want.
Yes, sure.
Okay, my group members, I will start to assign you into your respective works. Domasig, Raagas, and Santos would be the writer, and the editor would be Peros and Lotereña, and the researcher would be Pagaduan and Villarin. So here is the result of our collaborative work. Thank you so much for participating. Thank you so much for participating and doing your respective parts. Even though we face unfortunate circumstances, we finished this group collaboration.